Hey everyone, ever since I started making projects out of wood, I have been collecting several sizes of various wood and Kreg screws and wanted to create a go-to storage spot for them that is easily accessible and not stacked up in my wall cabinet. I've dropped a box or more in the past that spilled screws all over the garage floor that led me up to making a specific storage location. This is my very first how-to video, so be easy on me on the comments. Thanks. I came across these storage bins from Harbor Freight. They are 4 inches by 4 inches and only cost $1.99 each. As the labels state, they are stackable from each side and also from the top and from the bottom. Before you start, make sure to remove the front decal that allows the bins to open. There are 2 mounting locations on the back and can be easily accessible when you remove the clear container out. They're pretty unique and can store a lot. As you can see, they are pretty easy to slide on. After I removed the decals off each bin, I slid a bin in on the side of another bin and added 2 additional bins to make 4 total side by side. I repeated this step 3 more times. I then slid them on top of one another, stacking them 4 rows high. I temporarily put painter's tape on the front so the doors wouldn't constantly open and close when making my measurements for the wall mount. Here I'm cutting the wood to create the mounting plate 16 inches by 16 inches. Initially, I decided to purchase 16 bins and mount them to a piece of 1/2 inch thick plywood, then attach them to an existing French cleat on my garage wall for easy access. These bins are pretty cool. They are easy to open and have enough space to put a label on the handle. I used 5/8 inch wood screws to attach the bins to the wall mount. It's easier to flip the bins upside down and mount the screws to the board. As I stated earlier, I have a French cleat mount on my garage wall that holds my power tools, and will be utilizing this to mount the bins. I put the piece that will be used to mount onto the cleat on the wall and lined the bins up to mark a spot to secure the piece to the plate. Nice and level. In case you're wondering, I did slide the power tool storage over to fit the storage bins onto the cleat. I eventually purchased a few more bins and added them on. This is pretty cool in case you want to add more bins. I then laid out all the screws on my bench and organized them by size and type. I purchased this DYMO label maker to create labels for each screw and added them on each handle. I just took the basic information from the box to make it easy to read and access. Another cool option is if you add more screws to your collection, you can move the clear containers out to another location if you want to keep the type of screws together. For example, if you want to add a 1 1/4 inch screw in between the 1 inch and the 1 1/2 inch screws, you can organize the clear containers accordingly. Here's how the finished product looks. Basically, I organized the screws by type and size. I'm sure I'll be adding more bins as I continue this cool little hobby. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully, I'll be posting more how-to videos in the future. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks and have a great day.